am getting ready to make the eyeshadow from this Make Your Own Eyeshadow Kit. I want to show you how it's done. I want to show you how much fun it is and how easy it is. So I've got 11 spritzes in here. I'm going to go ahead and put 4 more. It takes about 15 squirts. I'm using a tester pressing medium that I already have instead of the one from the box. So you still see that sitting here. And then you take your base, and this is when you get to use your adorable little scoop, and you take about 3/4 of a scoop. It doesn't have to be perfect. It can be anywhere from 1/2 to 3/4. And here we go. See, oh, I don't know if you'll be able to see because it's white and it's shiny and I don't know. So put that into your bowl. And then your color. I'm going to choose this Moonlight. I was talking about Winter Rose and how much I loved it the other day. They're all fantastic colors. I don't want to be a hater to any of them, so I'm going to show you Winter Rose. And then the easiest way to do it is to actually cut the bottom corner out. So kind of shake it down. Take this a little bit bigger. Like I said, it's going to get messy, so put a placemat down or something to begin with. And then shake all of the color out into your little mixer bowl. Sorry you have to watch me do this boring stuff, but I just want you to be able to see how it's done. And like me, maybe after you're done with this project, all your dust will sparkle. So once you have all your color out of your baby baggie, grab your stir stick and stir it up. I suggest putting the liquid in first because putting that liquid in first, or if you put it in afterwards, then you're going to get powder just going phew, phew, and it makes a huger mess than if you do the 15 spritzes before. Now, if you do feel like, oh, it's a bit dry and munchy, then go ahead. At this point, it's pretty damp, so it's not going to go everywhere. Add just another spritz or 2 until you are able to work all of that powder in. Now, it's not supposed to look super liquidy. It's supposed to be, if you add too much liquid, then ultimately you get too many of the pressing medium ingredients in there. And all right, so kind of just a nice creamy paste that sticks to the spoon. Take one of your little wells. Take your spoon and press it in. You're going to get it on your fingers. It's fine. It comes off. It's makeup. And I'm not going to try and get it all in there today because you don't want to be so bored watching me. So, see, I got it on my fingers. No big deal. Got a little paper towel here. Wipe it off. And all it takes to put it in the palette, once it's done, you've put all your color in there, you've scraped it off your wooden, sorry, it's backwards. That's it. There it is. It's magnetized. You're done. You've made the first of your 4 colors. That's all it takes. And if you feel like you didn't do a good job, the holes in the bottom, grab just a safety pin or paper clip, pop it right out. And you can smooth it out a little bit more, add a little bit more mixing, pressing medium if you want. There it is. And then you're gonna wipe your little wooden stick. And you're gonna wipe your bowl. It does not have to be totally clean. This is clean enough. Can you see that? There we go. That is clean enough. You're not gonna get any extra residual color mixed into your next one. And you've made your first color. Took me about 5 minutes, so ultimately you're gonna maybe spend half an hour to 45 minutes on this project because you're gonna want to do a better, cleaner job than I did. But you wait 1 to 2 days, the vodka will completely dissolve out, it'll dry, and you will have a pressed shadow that you love, and it's so much fun. Enjoy this project. I hope you love it as much as I do.